Hey, let's learn to use Flipgrid for remote learning in less than 5 minutes. So create your free account in Flipgrid. As an educator, you can sign up for free. Then go to Educator Login to access your classrooms. Now we see our grids, which are classrooms. You can create a new one, give it a name, and make sure to select public and PLCs. This is an easy way for students to access your instructional videos, okay? Once you've done that, go inside of your classroom. Once you're inside your classroom, create your topics or units for learning, okay? Add a new topic, give the topic a name. How long will the topic be, your instruction be? And go ahead and kind of describe what this unit or this topic is going to be about. Grab some graphics or a GIF just to make it attractive and make it look fun. Okay. All right, and you have more options that you can adjust based on the settings you'd like to apply for your unit. Okay. No reason for video moderation or student-to-student replies, because students are not responding, they're just viewing your instruction, okay? And then create your topic. Once your topics are created, they'll show up just like this, all right? And then once your topic is made, go into your topic, and you can add your instructional videos, all right? So let's view what this looks like as a student. To view what students see, and to view how you can add your instructional videos. Select View as Respondee or View as Student. This is what your students will see, your classroom. All the topics or units for instruction are listed here with the videos inside. We can select the first unit, which is Pod 1 for my piano students, and all of the instructional videos for them to watch are here with the titles, okay? Simply to add more, you can do just what we did, select the plus sign to add your new video. Make sure you give it a title or a name that's catchy and easy for your students to understand. When it's time to share your classroom with your students, let's look at it through the teacher view, not the respondee view. Go back to my grids. Here's my classroom. Okay, click share. We can either share a QR code, or we could copy and paste this link and send this link to our students so they can access our classroom. And our classroom will look just like this when they get to it. All right, hope that was quick and easy. If you have more questions, please let me know. In the description, my website's in the description, and feel free to drop me a message or drop me a line.